Welcome back to Daytime Live. Now, people, the May Penn to Williamsfield, listen, the May Penn to Williamsfield leg of Highway 2000 was officially opened yesterday by Prime Minister Andrew Holness. During the opening ceremony, Holness announced that motorists traversing the May Penn to Williamsfield leg of the Southern Coastal Highway Improvement Project, that is the S-chip, will not pay toll charges until December 31, 2023. The project, which connects the parishes of Clarendon and Manchester, was opened to the public at 4 p.m.
The May Penn to Williamsfield Highway Project, which will reduce travel time from Kingston to Mandeville and other points west, was originally scheduled for completion in October 2022. This was then changed to January 2023 and later to March 2023. The highway project includes the design and construction of approximately 23 kilometers of a 4-lane arterial divided highway with a new alignment and the upgrading of approximately 5 kilometers of the existing Melrose Hill bypass to a 4-lane rural arterial divided highway. Ooh, nice. When you gonna go on it, drive it, such?
I don't know. Actually, I don't make a lot of South Coast movements. Okay. So I don't know exactly when. But even for December 30th, I'm going to drive on the free part.
Just because you want to experience some
the free
freeness.
part. Quite so.
You know that the people them who want to try to capture you, that they want to give you a freeness. But you didn't allow it.
I don't want it to get that.
Oh my gosh. All right, just be safe when you're driving though, guys. Be really safe. Try watch the speed limits and thing, because sometimes I find that when the road is new, you know, we want to press. Just take your time and drive. What is it, Dufton?
I don't know, we are give advice.
I am, that you should be safe on the road.
You're giving advice?
Yes. I'm always safe on the road, just so you know, okay? Not because I press fast.
If bushes could talk.
Anyway, Rema is doing the opposite of calming down, okay? You need to calm down. As he continues to rise in recognition. My daughter told me calm down last night. The 23-year-old and Nigerian artist won Best Afrobeat Song for his hit Calm Down with Selena Gomez at the 2023 MTV Video Music Awards on Tuesday. So the song peaked at number 3 on the Billboard Hot 100 in June and has spent over 50 weeks at number 1 on Billboard's US Afrobeat Songs chart. Prior to winning his VMA, Spotify announced that his hit single Calm Down has become the first song from an African artist to join Spotify's Billions Club.
Rima's single Calm Down was part of his debut album Raven Roses, which was released in March 2022. The Nigerian star released a deluxe version of his album in April with 6 additional tracks, including Calm Down remix. Chris Brown and 6 Lack are among featured artists on Raven Roses. He also took home 3 awards at the Headies, a global award show for Afrobeats music founded by Nigeria's Hip Hop World magazine earlier this month. And for Best Male Artist, he won African Artist of the Year and Digital Artist of the Year.
Oh, congratulations, yeah.
I saw while I was going through that story, you were trying to catch lunch.
No.
They didn't?
No, I was trying to actually catch dinner because you have to pre-prepare, you know?
Yeah,
you have to plan ahead. Yeah. Right, so that I'm gonna try to.
Crunch, chomp,
yeah,
chomp.
Calm down. I didn't know what he was saying the first time I heard that song.
Yeah, calm down.
Yeah.
What do you mean?
It just never sounded like calm down. It sounded like something else. Like calm down.
Well, I mean, sometimes if your parents want to talk to you back in the day, you know, and you're somewhere high.
Like, calm down.
Yeah, calm down.
Yeah. I didn't know it was calm down.
It's calm down.
It took me a few listens to hear that it was actually.
Down.
And then I saw people doing the dance. I said,
no, but parents, no. What
down.
Parents said about calm down, with different. Calm down. There is no.
Yeah, but with the accent, it just sounded like I did at first similar to. It's a thing with me and accents. At first, I didn't know it was Burna Boy. I thought it was Burna. You know, like a Burna man. I thought he was playing on that and saying Burna Boy. It took me a while to realize he was saying brother boy. So it's a thing with the accent. So
No, I think it's
realized
no. I don't
my
think
ears. They got to
yeah.
my ears. Yeah.
Yeah, something wrong with your ears.
Nothing is wrong with my ears. Right.
It's just not working right.
They might be small, but
But it's not working. It's not working right.
them working quite right. Go away.
And you can't hear calm down. Or you can't hear burn
It
down.
sounded like calm down. It sounded like come down.
Sonic, many
And
a
then it
time.
sounded like Bonner Boy, like
Sonic,
playing on
many
the
a
Bonner
time.
Boy thing.
I'm sure you have heard things.
That's not what people said?
Yeah.
All the time, every single
Then
day
is
throughout the
something
day.
wrong with your ears.
Wrong with my ears, and if you articulate.
Or move your hair from your ears.
Well, if you articulate.
Articulate.
Okay? All right, so we can hear what you're saying. Open your mouth.
You need to articulate.
Did your teacher ever say to you, emphasize your H's, you ignorant hog? Did you get that in school? Oh, okay.
My teacher just said, well done, Dufton.
Yeah, right. Lightning. Let me get up.
Okay, ignorant hog.
Go to the break.
I must you whatever. Oink, oink.
That's it. She didn't say it to me.
Of course she said
No,
it to
she
you.
didn't.
What did she say to you?
No, she didn't. I just heard her say it.
Did you ever fight in school?
All the time.
Daytime Live, be right back with Vibe with David Heron. Yeah, but